So guys, in today's video I'm gonna be playing the presentation experience. Okay, so I can't talk, but I'll explain what it means. So, importance of the teamwork in games. So, for teamwork, you basically just have to work as a team. And when you work as a team, you just succeed basically. And yeah, basically, yeah. And also, yeah, it's also good when you teamwork. Yeah. Okay, so 5 stars, guys. 5 stars, please, please, please. Please, please, I need this. What was it? 5. 3 smart hat.
Tralalero tralala, tralalero tralala, tralalero tralalero tralala, tralala. Tung tung sahur.
Yeah, my friend's gonna
Chimpanzini, bananini, Manucci, monkey, 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 ucci. Oh chimpanzini, kabu,
Tung sahur.
Yeah, he has no cars. He's so poor. He only has like $67. Okay, and yeah. See now. No, now. Actually, now.
It's over 9,000!
Oh my god! Oh, I accident. Me, no, JBL Flip 7. Oh my god, he got the mic there.
It's about drive.
I'm gonna do a hack the file along, guys.
Put in the hours and take what's ours.
Oh my god. That's this cat. See.
Yeah.
I love you, Meow. Yeah, meow, meow. Okay.
No.
Dang, no one rated it.
No.
Not me, not me, not me, not me, please.
Boo! Boo!
No! Please, Tita. Fine. Why is math so confusing? Because some children don't even know what it means. Some children don't even know some questions. Because questions are so hard. Like 1 times 1. Or 6 times 7. Or 2 plus 2. And the new one still knows what 9 plus 10 is. Either it's 19 or 21. Oh my god, my friend just do a toilet focatino. My guitar. Okay, yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, so I need to do my homework? Homework? No. No, I mean, fire hot cold. It's hot. Nope, tigers are not vegetarians. But I'm gonna get this easy.
Wow.
Okay, guys, so yeah.
Things into me, so you don't know what's gonna happen this time. How do I see that?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Send her to the hospital. What? Me again? Teacher, you can't suspend 1 to 7 game, huh? The most difficult language is Nigerian for me. Yay, 5 stars. Not me. Please, miss. Yeah. Valley's gonna be naughty, naughty.
How did he book that movie? How on earth did he book that? How is it impossible to build?
At least, guys, at least he's speaking. Oh, he's choking, miss. Yeah.
Yes.
Time's up. That is 5 stars immediately.
No. Yes.
4 stars.
No. Yes.
4 stars. Oh my god. Oh,
21.
21.
21.
21.
Cringe.
Bro, there's no way this thing actually moves, sir. There's no way this thing actually moves.
No, he's not gonna say anything, miss.
21.
Sahur. Ada kejadian misterius yang hanya
Things that creep grow.
Chocolate milk? You definitely gotta go down. Mustard? No, it's chocolate milk, yes. Okay. Half of these are now spicy mustard. That means that I have a 50% shot. You don't need it. Yeah, chocolate milk! No way. Yeah, I can get it the second time. I'm nervous for you. Is it a keyboard or?
Oh.
Did he do it? It's spicy mustard. Sounds like no way. Please go get your pizza with chocolate milk at Walmart and 7-Eleven. One of these three.
$5. Nice.
Laserbeam has 900 to say Tifu has more wins. He was definitely grinding a lot early in Fortnite. Yup. Loser Fruit versus Tifu. Loser Fruit has more wins. Oh my god. I think Tifu has more wins than Clay. Clay doesn't play enough pubs. Maybe I'm wrong. Bro, I'm getting all of this wrong.
Okay, guys, so yeah. Homework check. I'm not doing my homework because I already did it. As you can see.
Yep. Lock wins? I think Curry had lock wins each though. Oh yeah, he does. Tim, go get yours.
Okay, guys, so Zip, man, stop using me. Okay, so if you want to study an exam, don't study. Because we do not like exams. We do not like exams. Exams suck.
Your 60 minutes starts now. Chef, you're freaking me out. Not cooking. What's going on?
Honestly, there's no big rush.
All right.
Watch how Gordon.
Hey, look.
Easy.
Anyways, guys, this is the end of the vid. Make sure to like and subscribe, and peace.